So the question is, what is cash to close? I keep hearing cash to close when it comes to real estate when buying a house. All right. Simple, easy breezy. Okay. You're buying a house. Come join me on this journey of buying a house. We're going to keep it simple. It's a $100,000 house. You put down $1,000 in escrow. It sits in the title company. Okay. You and the lender, you decided that the best situation for you was a 5% conventional. Okay. So that means you have to come up with 5%, which is $5,000. Okay. And let's just say in this house, you got no closing cost incentives. So you have to pay your closing costs. Let's say it's averagely 3%. So you have to put down 5% and an additional 3% for closing costs, which is 8%, which is $8,000. Now you already have the $1,000 in escrow. Okay. So you would have to come to the closing table, cash to close, with $7,000, right? So what would happen is a couple days before closing, you get your final numbers. You know, there could be other things added on, prepaids and all that. I'm just using that as an example. 3% your closing costs, which is all your stuff wrapped in, and 5%, which is going towards the principal, your down payment for your loan, minus the 1,000, right? So it's 7,000. You're going to get wiring instructions, which you're going to wire that money over to the title company, and that's your cash to close. The remaining balance of the escrow is your cash to close. So remember, your down payment, which in this instance is 5%, and your closing costs, which is 3%, which is $8,000 in total. You already have $1,000 for the escrow, so you minus that off. This has nothing to do with the home inspection price or the appraisal or anything else like that. This is just your down payment, your closing costs, and your escrow. That is your cash to close. Simple, easy breezy, right? It's very important to understand how you can get your cash to close to be cheaper. Whether you're negotiating your closing costs for the seller to pay for them, whether you're getting a loan that maybe you can put down less money. If you're VA, you're putting down 0%. That's all it is. Simple, quick video, cash to close. Any questions, let me know.